To start with, an explanation: most of the images in the video are generated using Pictory AI. Actual product images are only for Tesla and Unitary robots. With the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, more and more companies and startups are trying to develop new humanoid robots that, with the appropriate algorithm or machine learning in their equipment, could supplement or replace workers in warehouses, factories, and even help in households. Until recently, experts did not take the deployment of humanoid robots in industry seriously. The International Federation of Robotics, in its latest World Robotics Report, states that in 2024 a record 4.3 million industrial robots were working worldwide, most in Asia, where China leads in absolute numbers, followed by Japan, then in Europe, where Germany is the largest robotics power, and then in the Americas, where the USA has the most robots. What role do humanoid robots play in this? None. This report does not even address them. For humanoid robots to succeed, one crucial thing was missing: AI that can understand and plan. That has only recently changed. Today, there is a combination that has never existed before: a computer that sees, a computer that understands, a machine that moves like a human, training on real data, cheap production of motors and batteries, capital flowing into it, and the biggest labor shortage in decades, whether it's Cyber 1 from Xiaomi, Optimus from Tesla, G1 and H1 from Unitary Robotics, Walker S1 and S2 from UBtech, Geomate from Gap Group, or O1 from Figure AI, a startup that, in addition to LG, Samsung, Intel, Nvidia, and Microsoft, also has support from the pioneering OpenAI, which has promised to develop its own software for the company and its machines. And of course, there are other companies that already have industry partnerships with companies like Amazon and DHL and have been developing and testing their humanoids for a longer time. These are Agility Robotics and Boston Dynamics. All of these companies and their robots come mainly from the United States and China. From Europe, we can mention the startup Neuro Robotics and their prototype 4Ni1. Some of these robots are already working in specific jobs. Amazon has begun testing its humanoid robot Digit from Agility Robotics in warehouses. Not as a marketing ploy. It actually carries crates, handles goods, and fills positions. Robots are already replacing thousands of steps taken by workers who used to run around the warehouse. This is not the future, but a pilot operation. Unitary, G1 and H1 more for research and small businesses, but can be purchased commercially. They can walk, carry objects, react to obstacles, and perform basic physical tasks. Tesla Optimus not commercially available, but operates within Tesla's internal processes. It manipulates parts, assembles objects, learns movements based on human demonstration. Tesla is testing its own real-world AI. UBtech Walker. According to current reports, several dozen Walker S1 robots, 172 centimeters tall and equipped with intelligent integrated cameras for precise vision, are already working in the factory of Zeekr, a company that produces more luxurious electric cars and belongs to the Geely Automobile Holding Company. Humanoid robots work together to solve tasks, train cooperation, and are able to plan and coordinate assigned tasks as a group. They sort materials, carry boxes, assemble components, and are also used to control vehicle assembly. In addition to the aforementioned Zeekr car company, these humanoid robots are already deployed in the Chinese car company BYD, and the South China Morning Post mentions other likely buyers of these robots. Walker S2 robots, which are another company product, are the first humanoids able to change their own batteries. According to Kaif Sheikh reports on the interestingengineering.com platform, UBtech has just won a 264 million yuan contract to deploy Walker S2 humanoids on the border with Vietnam in southern China's Guangxi province. The contract was signed at the Humanoid Robot Center in Fangshengang, a large port in the Gulf of Tonkin near the border. The first humanoids will appear on the border in December 2025. Walker S2 humanoids will appear directly at border checkpoints, where they will assist with the movement of people across the border. They are also expected to be used for logistics, inspections at various facilities, and for border patrols. Humanoids are now also starting to appear in China at airports, government offices, and major public events, not to mention the police patrols with robots that can be seen in major cities. At the same time, artificial intelligence is developing rapidly, so robots are becoming increasingly smarter. GAC Group GoMate GAC Group's GoMate is an advanced, AI-powered humanoid robot designed with a unique wheeled leg system for versatile movement, bipedal/quadrupedal. Starting in 2026, it will be used for quality inspection and other tasks on GAC's own production lines. Small-scale production planned for 2026, with mass production to follow. As you can see, the application of humanoid robots in industry and logistics is, especially in China, rapidly increasing, and this will likely continue in the coming years. Another sector where China plans to deploy robots is military. The ultimate goal of the Chinese military is to create a fully autonomous combat robot. The Chinese military showed off its new human-sized military robot at a military cadet gathering in Nanjing in November 2025. It fought a cadet in front of others and was able to accurately replicate his movements in real time using artificial intelligence. So it's not a fully autonomous fighter yet, but it shows that China is serious about military robots. Even without the use of artificial intelligence, this robot could serve as a durable combat platform that would accurately replicate the movements of a soldier hundreds of kilometers away. The soldier would only wear a vest with all the necessary sensors, and a special walking belt could be used to record his gait. This way, the operator would not have to worry about anything happening to him in battle, because he would not actually be there and would see everything through cameras. Most militaries are usually tied by regulations or ethical and humane concerns about deploying combat robots. China doesn't have to deal with these issues because it's not a democratic country where the local population can complain about anything or anyone. It has already created a robotic assistant with a combat rifle installed. It will likely be the first country to develop a fully autonomous soldier, which could transform the military into a form we cannot even imagine today. In addition to humanoid robots, they are also developing others, such as ground-based FPV drones on tracked chassis armed with rocket launchers. The parade on the 3rd of September 2025 attracted a lot of attention with a contingent of four-legged robots, which have been renamed Robot Wolves. This is a relatively new and eye-catching part of China's arsenal. According to Chinese state media, these machines are capable of frontline reconnaissance, supply deliveries, and even precision strikes on targets. According to state media, the Wolves are equipped with cameras that allow them to hit targets more accurately and have improved combat effectiveness and striking power. Chinese scientists have also unveiled Robo Falcon 2.0, a robot that faithfully mimics the movement of bird wings and can take off completely unassisted for the first time. The machine combines flapping, gliding and folding wings, opening up new possibilities in nature-inspired robotics.